and you can see it has activated thread. Okay. Now the reason why thread is just because Zara is in the same position, and you would see thread would have followed Zara. So let's say I'm going to change Zara's position to somewhere um, here. Okay. As because of the speed at which like Zara comes early, or when I go closer to it, which is why. But when I go closer to thread, let's see. Oops. See, he was moving to Zara's position. I'm going to pause it and then work on it quick. Okay, so what I've done is to move Zara a bit. But you can see she's still even moving faster. Okay, so basically, let's see what we want to do now. Let's work on. Have I done for summer? Done for summer, Zara, thread. Let's preview everything and see what we have here. Okay, resin hasn't been worked on, so resin should follow. So I want resin to follow Zara. So resin, let me click on resin. I want her to follow Zara. So follow. I want her to follow Sarah. Yeah. Then it's going to be an infinite loop. You can decide to work on these other parameters. Let's click on preview and then let's see. So you can see she's going to follow Zara. Okay, so I'm going to make thread, or let's make Zara follow the camera or follow Summer. So our location is going to be Summer, and then we'll let thread to also follow Zara. Okay, so that's it. So if we preview, now all our objects should be moving randomly, not like randomly. Um, so I'm going to change the proximity. I'm going to change the proximity for thread. So it's not going to be a proximity. So you want him to just on scene starts. Okay, thread to move to Zara, and then Zara to move to. We'll change Zara to move to. I should rather follow. Okay, where's follow? Follow camera. Yeah, we can make her follow the camera. We set to infinite. I'm going to do same for let me see racing. Okay, racing is going to follow Zara. So let's go to our preview and see what we have. So you can see thread is going to Zara's position and then you follow. You can see it's following. Why is thread stuck? Let's see. Thread. Okay. Rather change thread to follow. So thread is going to follow Zara. We'll give it a speed. Let's increase the speed for thread. Give it an infinite. Then we can test here. So you can see it's moving towards Zara. We can preview our project here. Then let's see what we have. So you can see now he's going to be following Zara wherever she goes. So this is interesting for making some movements in your AR project. It will be very good for adding, let's say, a geospatial project like having a physical location and then you have these objects moving or walking around. Yeah. So thank you, and basically this is what we have for our AR project on now. directable characters. Thank you.